Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're delving deep into the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Buckle up and get ready for a comprehensive breakdown of this flagship device. Let's kick things off by talking about the display and design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. At first glance, you might think it looks similar to its predecessors. One of the most significant changes is the transition to a flat screen, which might seem like a step backward for some, especially considering Samsung's history of curved displays. However, this change actually enhances the user experience, particularly for those who enjoy using a stylus. The removal of curved edges means that the space for using the S Pen is now more expansive, allowing for a more comfortable and natural writing experience. It's a subtle yet impactful improvement, but the enhancements don't stop there. The new display also boasts better anti-reflective technology on the Gorilla Armor glass, making it much easier to see and read the screen, even in bright sunlight. In fact, compared to its competitors like the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the Galaxy S24 Ultra screen is noticeably brighter. Moving on to the design, Samsung has opted to use titanium for the phone's side rails, giving it a sleek and premium feel. The satin finish not only looks attractive, but also provides a good grip, ensuring that the phone feels secure in your hand. And while the matte finish might make it look less flashy compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 Ultra's aluminum body, it's a trade-off that many will appreciate as the matte surface is resistant to smudges and fingerprints, keeping the device looking clean even after prolonged use. Now, let's talk durability. We put the Galaxy S24 Ultra through its paces with various tests, including intense drop tests. With its titanium frame and flat armor Gorilla Glass screen, it's expected to resist scratches and falls admirably. In our tests, the titanium frame proved to be incredibly resilient, effectively resisting scratches and dents. However, when dropped face down from waist height, we did observe a slight crack on the screen. Despite this, the flat screen design seemed to offer better protection during falls compared to its curved counterparts. Surprisingly, the back of the phone remained undamaged throughout the test, further highlighting its durability. Overall, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra isn't indestructible, it's certainly built to withstand the rigors of daily use. Battery life is always a crucial consideration when it comes to smartphones, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra certainly doesn't disappoint in this department. In our real-life tests, we were impressed by its longevity, outperforming both its predecessor and competitors in various scenarios. In a test conducted by StechCare, the Galaxy S24 Ultra lasted almost 11 hours, surpassing the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Pixel 8 Pro. Similarly, in a test by TechDroider, it held its own, lasting over 10 hours despite intensive usage. And in a test by Tom's Guide, the S24 Ultra truly shone. The impressive battery life can be attributed in part to the new processor powering the device. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip boasts a 25% increase in efficiency compared to its predecessor, resulting in significant improvements in power consumption and performance. Samsung has always been at the forefront of innovation when it comes to artificial intelligence, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra is no exception. The device comes packed with a range of AI features. One standout feature is Live Translate, which utilizes AI to provide real-time translation during phone calls, breaking down language barriers and facilitating communication like never before. Then there's Chat Assist, which offers in-app message translation, all powered by the device's keyboard. The Samsung Notes app also gets a boost with Note Assist, allowing for interactive note modifications such as generating summaries or formatting notes for different use cases. On the photography front, Samsung introduces Generative Edit and Suggestions, which leverage AI to offer automatic photo edit recommendations. Additionally, artificial intelligence enhancements and hardware upgrades contribute to improved photography, ensuring that users can capture stunning shots even in low light conditions. In a world where speed is king, the Galaxy S24 Ultra certainly doesn't disappoint. Thanks to its UXX 4.0 storage technology, it delivers lightning-fast read and write speeds that significantly enhance the overall user experience. In a test comparing its storage speed to that of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the Galaxy S24 Ultra emerged as the clear winner. These impressive speeds translate to quicker uploading times, smoother multitasking, and faster file transfers. So should you buy the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra? Well, that ultimately depends on your preferences and priorities. Furthermore, with a starting price of $1,300, the S24 Ultra is undeniably a premium device, and it faces stiff competition from cheaper alternatives. That being said, its impressive battery life, durable design, and lightning-fast performance make it a compelling choice for those in the market for a high-end smartphone. As always, we'd love to hear your thoughts, so be sure to leave a comment down below letting us know what you think of the S24 Ultra. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Now let's talk about the specifications of Samsung S24 series. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra emerges as a beacon of innovation in the smartphone industry, redefining what we expect from our mobile devices. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into every aspect of this groundbreaking device, showcasing why it's more than just a technological advancement. It's a glimpse into the future. Exquisite design and build. The S24 Ultra marks a significant shift in design philosophy for Samsung. The transition to a flat screen, moving away from the curved edges of its predecessors, is not just a stylistic choice. This change enhances the phone's structural integrity, making it more resistant to the rigors of daily use. The sleek gray color and matte finish lend an air of sophistication and class, emphasizing its premium build quality. The introduction of a titanium frame is a game-changer. This choice of material is a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation, offering a lighter yet sturdier build. This not only makes the phone more comfortable to hold and use for extended periods, but also adds an extra layer of durability. Display, a visual feast. Samsung has always been at the forefront of display technology, and the S24 Ultra is no exception. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screen boasts a resolution of 3088 x 1440 pixels. The 120 Hz refresh rate ensures a buttery-smooth visual experience, whether you're browsing, gaming, or watching videos. The screen's peak brightness of 2500 nits/2 guarantees excellent visibility even under direct sunlight, enhancing its usability in outdoor settings. Revolutionary camera system. The camera setup of the S24 Ultra is a marvel of modern technology. The primary 200MP sensor is a leap forward in mobile photography, promising incredible detail and clarity in every shot. The quad camera array also includes a 12MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, making it a versatile tool for photographers of all skill levels. This setup allows users to capture everything from vast landscapes to intricate close-ups with equal finesse. Performance, powerhouse on the inside. At the heart of the S24 Ultra is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This chip is not just about raw power, it's about smart, efficient performance. Coupled with 8 GB of RAM, the S24 Ultra handles everything from everyday tasks to the most demanding applications with ease. The 256 GB of internal storage offers ample space for all your needs, ensuring that you never have to worry about running out of room. Battery life and charging. The 5000 mAh battery of the S24 Ultra is designed to keep up with the demands of modern life. It supports fast charging with a 45W wired charger, fully wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging. This flexibility means that not only can you quickly charge your phone, but you can also lend a helping hand to your other devices when they're running low on power. Operating system and user experience. Running on the latest version of Android, the S24 Ultra provides a smooth and intuitive user interface. Samsung's One UI complements the Android system, enhancing its functionality and ease of use. The ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor is a nod to the importance of security in today's digital age, providing a secure yet convenient way to unlock your device. Connectivity and additional features. The S24 Ultra is equipped with a full suite of connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6E, and ultra-wideband UWB. These features ensure that the S24 Ultra is ready for any kind of wireless interaction, whether it's connecting to the latest generation of Wi-Fi networks or pairing with a wide range of devices. Unique color options and aesthetic appeal. In addition to the standard gray, the S24 Ultra will be available in 3 exclusive colors: serene blue, refreshing green, and vibrant orange. These options add a touch of personality and style to the device, catering to a range of tastes and preferences. The blue and green variants feature black middle frames, while the orange variant comes with a silver frame, each adding a unique aesthetic appeal to the phone. Pricing and market position. With an expected price of around $1,250, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is positioned as a premium offering in the smartphone market. This pricing reflects the advanced features and superior build quality of the device, targeting users who seek the best in technology and design. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just a smartphone, it's a statement. It's a device that encapsulates the best of what technology can offer today and hints at what's possible tomorrow. As we eagerly await its official release, the S24 Ultra stands poised to not just meet but exceed the expectations of tech enthusiasts and average consumers alike. As we continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of smartphone technology, the Galaxy S24 Ultra serves as a shining example of what's possible when innovation meets craftsmanship. It's a device that promises to set new standards in the industry and redefine our relationship with technology.